Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen dimming on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, click on or adaptive brightness. You will see. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness, and you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. But if it is not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on display and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold power button and volume up button at the time and click on reset. Sorry, restart. After click on restart, after restarting enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset options. After click on reset options and you will see click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen dimming on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.